You've probably heard whispers about Pi Network, the digital currency you can mine right from your phone. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi doesn't need expensive hardware or drain your battery. It's designed for everyone. The Stanford team behind Pi wanted to make crypto simple and accessible, so all you do is tap the app once a day to prove you're real and earn coins. Millions of pioneers have been building up their Pi, waiting for it to gain real value. Until now, Pi has operated in an enclosed mainnet. Think of it as a giant mall with the doors still locked, where users can trade Pi inside but not with the outside world. The big question, when will Pi be worth something outside this closed system? That moment just arrived. The Pi Core team has announced a fixed price for Pi on DEX, their decentralized exchange. This isn't just another update, it's the leap that gives Pi a real, defined value. For every pioneer, this is the news they've been waiting for. The Pi revolution is about to get real. Here's the headline. Pi now has an official price on DEX, $314,159 per coin. That number isn't random. It's a nod to the mathematical constant Pi, 3.14159, tying the project to its scientific roots. DEX is Pi's own decentralized exchange, run by the community, where users can trade Pi for goods, services, or other assets. By setting this fixed price, the core team is giving the entire ecosystem a clear, stable benchmark. No more wild speculation or confusion. Everyone now knows exactly what their Pi is worth. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that swing wildly in value, Pi's price is designed to be stable. This move builds confidence and trust, assuring pioneers that their years of mining have real value. For the first time, a pizza bought with Pi in London is worth the same as art bought in Tokyo. The chaos of guessing is over. A global standard is set. This is the starting gun for Pi's next phase. The community finally has a foundation to build on. The wait is over. Pi's value is official. The journey just got a lot more real. $314,159 per Pi coin sounds unbelievable, right? But there's a method to the madness. This price, called the Global Consensus Value, GCV, is about vision, not just market demand. It's a statement of belief in the network's future power, millions of users, real-world apps, and growing utility. Like the dollar or pound, Pi's value is built on collective trust. A high price means even tiny fractions of Pi can buy everyday things, making transactions simple and practical. This isn't about quick profits. It's about building a usable global currency. For now, this price applies inside the Pi ecosystem, not on open exchanges. It's a psychological anchor, uniting the community around a shared value. The core team is shaping the network's future by setting expectations high. It's about creating value from within before opening to the world. Pi's worth is now a community decision. Why does a stable price matter? Imagine running a cafe. If your crypto payment drops in value overnight, you lose out. Most cryptocurrencies are volatile, making them risky for real-world use. Pi's fixed price removes that uncertainty. Now, if you accept 1 Pi for a coffee, you know its value won't change tomorrow. This stability lets businesses and users plan, set prices, and trade confidently. It protects the value pioneers have earned, turning years of mining into a real asset. A stable price encourages people to spend Pi, not just hoard it, keeping the economy moving. It's about building a vibrant, usable currency, not just a speculative asset. The core team is rewarding long-term believers, not quick-flip speculators. With stability, Pi becomes a tool for daily life, not just a gamble. This is the foundation for a real digital economy. Pi wants to be the currency you actually use, not just watch. Stability is the key to unlocking that future. In crypto, trust is everything, and Pi is working hard to earn it. By setting a fixed high value, the core team is telling pioneers, your effort matters. This move prevents chaos if Pi suddenly hit open markets, protecting the community from panic selling. The $349 price is a psychological anchor, encouraging users to see Pi as a valuable asset, not a throwaway token. It filters out those looking for a quick buck and rewards those who believe in the long-term vision. The core team is proving they're in this for the long haul. Setting the DEX price is a promise kept, a concrete step that builds trust. The bond between developers and pioneers is stronger than ever. Everything so far has been leading to one thing, the open mainnet. This is when Pi connects to the outside world, tradable on external exchanges and integrated with other blockchains. The fixed price on DEX is the final prep, making sure the community is ready for the big launch. It's like training before a big voyage. The ecosystem is being tested and strengthened. Businesses and developers now see Pi's stable value and massive user base, making them eager to join. The exact launch date isn't set, but this price move signals it's coming soon. The message, get ready. The main event is near. Pi's public debut will be one to remember. Pi isn't just another coin. It's about building a fairer, more inclusive economy. Traditional finance leaves many behind. Pi aims to change that by giving everyone a stake. By distributing Pi widely and setting a high, stable value, the network empowers millions. Your time and trust are now real value, not just your money. The decentralized DEX exchange lets people trade directly, without middlemen. This creates a resilient, censorship-resistant economy where you control your money. Pi's vision is both technological and social, a global system based on trust and collaboration. The fixed price keeps value stable for everyday users. Everyone, everywhere, gets a chance to participate and prosper. That's the revolution Pi is aiming for. Pi isn't just a coin. It's an entire ecosystem in the making. Like your smartphone, Pi's real power comes from the apps built around it. Developers can now confidently build Pi apps, knowing the coin's value is stable. This attracts talent and investment, fueling a growing digital marketplace. Already, pioneers are trading goods and services with Pi in community-built apps. The official price standardizes transactions, making trade smoother and more widespread. The coin is just the key. The ecosystem is the kingdom it unlocks. With a stable foundation, Pi's digital society can thrive. The future is about what you can do with Pi, not just what it's worth. So, what's your part in all this? Whether you're a long-time pioneer or brand new, you matter. Pi's strength is its community, millions contributing every day. Keep mining, help secure the network, and invite others to join. Use Pi in apps, support the ecosystem, and think about how it fits into your life or business. If you're new, it's not too late. Download the app and start mining. Read the white paper, get involved, and help shape the future. This isn't just about earning coins. It's about building a fairer financial world. The $314,159 price is a bold step, but the real power is in the community. The open mainnet is coming, and you're part of the story. Stay active, stay informed. The revolution is just beginning.